Guacamole or guacamole is an avocado-based salad that's very delicious, and it originated from Mexico. So because it's Mexican food, it's a little bit spicy. So I have a few ingredients and you're going to find everything in the description box. So let's get to chopping. I'm going to get started by chopping one onion into strips and then dice. I'm using 2 small onions. You can use 1 medium onion. Dice. Transfer to my bowl. Next, I'm going to be dicing my tomato. I'm going to pick 1 chili and slice together with the seeds. You can opt to remove the seeds if you don't like a lot of heat. Transfer to my bowl. Pick your avocado and cut into half. I'm going to use a small paring knife to cut in half. Then using a small knife, you're going to cut your avocado just like I'm showing you. Just like that. Be careful not to slice your hands also. Use a spoon and take out the avocado into the bowl. You're going to remove the pit of the avocado by using your knife. And quickly, I'm going to slice my coriander. Once done, I'm going to transfer to my bowl as well. Pick a lemon and roll on the chopping board. This is going to make the lemon very juicy. Once done, you're going to slice the lemon in half. Then using a lemon squeezer, I'm going to place the lemon inside and squeeze juice of 1 lemon into the bowl. That's the next, and you can see how much lemon juice is coming from the lemons because we have rolled the lemon on the chopping board. Next, I'm going to add in some seasoning. So I'm going to add in some salt and black pepper. Mix everything together to combine. The next step is to test my guacamole. This is just delicious. I love the kick of spiciness, and the lemon has added a lot of tartness to the guacamole, making it very delicious. You can serve the guacamole as a condiment for your food, or you can serve with some chips or tortilla chips and enjoy.